Hey everybody, I'm down here at Midwich to show you the INOGENI SHARE2U. We're in a signature meeting room with this beautiful 21:9 display behind me running Teams. And in this room we've got a Jabra Panacast giving us 180 degree of the table, but we've also got this PTZ camera at the top of the room which allows us to zoom into other focal areas, whether it be a whiteboard or an additional screen in the room. With the INOGENI SHARE2U, we can input both of those cameras, whether they be USB or HDMI, into the INOGENI SHARE2U, and then from the SHARE2U we can then send that signal to our Teams or Zoom room system. And then either using the tactile buttons on top of the SHARE2U or by using a separate control system in the room, we can either switch between those two camera feeds, or we can actually mix those two camera feeds together, whether that be picture in picture or side by side or different layout options. The people at the far end on the other side of the Teams or Zoom call get a great experience and multiple views simultaneously of that meeting room. For more information on the SHARE2U and all of the other great INOGENI products, please visit inogeni.com for more information.